uKit, an innovative programmable building block robot designed for STEAM education. The brightly colored blocks in many different shapes and sizes grab your attention right out of the box. All materials are eco-friendly and non-harmful. This makes them safe for children to play with for hours. This is a connector, an indispensable component of the building blocks. In addition to the connector pieces, you'll see a wide variety of other necessary components. Hey, what's this? This is uKit's sensor. When you tap the sensor, the robot responds promptly by waving and saying hello. This is the secret weapon of uKit, the servo. This light blue box is the brain of uKit. It is the main controller. You'll see many ports for connecting different pieces. Now your robot can achieve more functions without worrying about running out of interfaces. LED light, infrared sensor, touch sensor, Bluetooth speaker, and servo can all be connected in series. One interface in the main controller is able to connect many electronic modules. This is the multi-directional joystick. It follows the movement of your hand. The intelligent sorting robot features a push-button start to help you sort uKit parts. PRP, Pose, Record, Play, automatically records all robot movements. You pose the robot and create any program of robot movement without knowing complicated programming languages. It takes you only 3 steps, pose, record, play, to complete each program movement. This is UTech Education's innovative class with project-oriented teaching and grouping. Let's discuss and decide our roles in our groups. When the project begins, each team is concentrated on their project and team members work together. A series of textbooks for STEAM subjects contain detailed learning points, helping students study and grow in a more scientific and systematic way. Follow the assembly instructions with the accompanying app, which promotes quick learning. If students are having trouble in class, teachers are there to help. We encourage students to think independently when finding solutions. Blockly is a complete visual programming language. It helps to improve students' abilities in critical thinking simply by utilizing drag and drop. PRP, Pose, Record, Play, makes programming easier for children. Team members are showcasing their creations after completing their projects. In the app, there is a course assessment. Through the course assessment, students can see how much they've learned. They can also see their rankings among friends and classmates. uKit, a programmable building block robot, makes learning to program fun.